Hey guys, it's Sam for Rizom-Lab, and in this RizomUV Quick Tip, we're going to be taking a look at a problem one of our Discord users faced involving selecting similar cuts. So let's take a look. Okay, so our Discord user had a shape very similar to this, and what he was trying to do is cut these nodules off in a very specific way. So let's just go through what he was trying. In edge mode, he was trying to cut round the bottom like this to separate this from the main body, and then he was making cuts on the corners like this because he wanted the sides and the ends to unfold out and flatten. So he was doing this, and then he was going to the topo copy section and saying this button here, which is select similar. So he was hitting that, and nothing was happening. And then he tried using the topology reference uncut, trying it again, and nothing was happening. And that is because this select similar button only works across islands. If you hover over it, it actually gives you this information. So the quickest way to accomplish this kind of thing would actually be to go into polygon mode, go down to the magic wand, and I'm going to choose curved, and the local angle I'm going to choose 60. And as you can see on screen, you have this big icon in the middle. This is a gizmo that shows your angles. If you want to turn this off, you can actually do so by clicking here. And now I'm going to use this to very quickly click, shift click, and shift click again. That might be different for you if you're using a different control layout to me, and you can see that down here. And I'm going to shift click again to add to my selection. So add to your selection, and now we've isolated these nodules around the wheel. We can actually just go in an empty space and hit the C key, and that will make cuts. And if I deselect all of this now, you can see that these nodules have actually got cuts around them. Let me just turn off the magic one so we can see. So you can see this orange line, we've got cuts all around our nodules now. So very quickly we were able to separate these from the main body. And now all we need to do is go back into edge mode. We don't need this selection down the bottom anymore. We just need these sides. And now when we go into topo copy and say select similar, make sure this is back on cut. You can see that when we've selected that, all of these little nodules have got the same cuts distributed across them, and we can just hit C. It'll make those cuts. And now the main body, I'm actually just going to hover over that and press H to hide it. And now we've got all of our nodules separated out with all the same cuts across it. So now I could just go into an empty space and hit U. And if I go into the UV space and hit F, that will frame or focus our UV tile. And as you can see, all of our little nodules here have been unwrapped and packed. It's important to note that if there are no flattened islands already in the UV tile, when you press unfold or U, it will also automatically perform a pack operation too. So there you go guys, I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and hit the little bell to be notified of new tutorials. You can also check out the videos on screen now, and also don't forget to visit us at our website and our social media. Cheers guys, bye.